Not a tour, not a game. This is a self-guided city adventure you experience through your phone. You explore the city at your own pace, following clues, solving challenges, and discovering places as you go. No groups, no guides. Getting started is easy. Choose a city, open the app, and begin whenever you want. Some prefer a relaxed walk and quiet discovery. Others enjoy challenges and playful competition. One city, different ways to experience it. This is a more personal way to explore, more active, more memorable. Choose your city and start the adventure in the app. A new way to see places you thought you already knew.